Wagagu uria utonyete bururi-ini, ngwataniro ya Azimio yugite ati ugwetherwo kihonia ni githurano kia mwanya kiria gigukinyanira Akenya mambiriria mutaratara wa gucokia na mucii ambunge aria mataiganiire no tungata wao, undu uria utangikinyanira commission ya ithurano na mihaka itakindireirwo commissioner ayo.
Azimio demands that the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission Amendment Bill 2024 be immediately signed into law. We are aware that this bill has been sitting on Ruto's desk for days now, and the Kenya Kwanza dictatorship is reluctant to sign it into law. As a coalition, we call out to Ruto and demand that he assent to this essential bill that allows citizens to hold their representatives in the legislature accountable.
Kuringana na watho, mubunge angicokorokithio na mucii ni andu aria mamuthurite ni kwagarara gatiba, kuna mawatho ma ithurano, mutugo uracambithia giturwa giki na kuhuthira uru mbeca cia muingi. Kuringana na watho wa ithurano, mutaratara wa kuinukia mubunge wagiriire kwambiriria miaka iri thutha wa guthurwo na ihinda ritanyihiire mwaka umwe mbere ya githurano kiu kingi. Uguo ni kuuga ati no tene kwambiriria mutaratara wa kuinukia mubunge o wothe, tondu miaka iri ya utungata wa ambunge ya 13 ikahinga tariki 8 mweri wa kenda.
I will be proposing
watho wa ithurano ni ugiritie mundu wahuranagira giturwa giki na mubunge uria wathurirwo kwambiriria mutaratara uyu, no muikari ungi wa gicigo kia obunge no awambiririe na njira ya kungania gicunji kia 30% gia kura iria ciri gicigo-ini kia obunge. Hari nuthu ya wodi iria ciri gicigo-ini kia obunge no nginya mubango uyu unyitwo mbaru ni gicunji gia 15 kia aikia a kura. Mutaratara uyu wahituka ngero ici niguo uthiaga kuri IEBC. IEBC kuringana na watho yagiriire guthurima irore ici na yaiganira ati makinya mothe ni marumirirwo uria kwagiriire, hamwe na ikiro cia thitango, mubunge akaheo kanya ka gwitetera na speaker wa bunge ya bururi akamenyithio na thikũ 15. Ihinda-ini ria thikũ 90 nirio IEBC yagirire gutabania githurano gia kuinukia mubunge na kura nyingi cia murega akainuka. Ona kuri o uguo niguo githurano giki gikinyanire, no nginya nuthu ya aikia a kura gicigo-ini kia obunge meyumirie. Thutha ucio IEBC yagirire gutabania githurano kinini gia kuihuria giturwa giki na mubunge muhagure ni etikiritio ni watho gutetera giturwa giake.
That we cannot be able to live any longer with William in power, with William and his cabinet in office, and equally with a parliament that have been impeached.
Wagagu uyu wothe Azimio inyitirire ati ututhuritwo ni Akenya kwaga guthikiririo ni utongoria wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza o kuma gacumbiri nginya thi.
Generation Z were being financed by their parents. Bus fare, pesa ya kunywa chai, pesa ya kurudi nyumbani, bundles, that is the financing that was being done by parents. So if you are looking for who was financing, go for the parents.
Ngwataniro ya Azimio inyitirire ati bururi urikitio thiota-ini ni utongoria muru na kuruta hau gugubatara ugi wa gikiro kia iguru kuma kuri atongoria makiria aria meiturwa-ini matongoretio ni President William Ruto. Kiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.